Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the Turbo Wax interior dressing RP1, which is for restores and protect. So this is an interior dressing for the leather, rubber and vinyl, all for the interior pieces. You can use it on the outside, but the lifetime will be very short. It's designed for the interior. It's a non-greasy, non-tacky product. It has a leather scent. It comes with the 16-ounce bottle with the sprayer, and you can apply via a foam applicator. You simply apply into the applicator and go over the surface. So we're gonna flip this thing around. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you the three surfaces, how we do it, and then how we clean them prior to using the interior dressing. So let's flip this up and outside we go. So we're inside the cabin and we're gonna go over the Turbo Wax interior dressing RP1, which the RP1 means for restores and protects. You can use this product, as we mentioned it before, in leather, rubber and plastic on the interior. So prior to the application, I'll show you right here the dash. You can see it's a lot of little dust. So we like to go over with the waterless, and the waterless wash multi. It has the measurement cup, as we have said before, and you can mix it with the water in a 16-ounce bottle. So you will put half an ounce of product and the rest of water, and we'll just simply will apply to a microfiber towel. We will wipe the surface up, flip the towel, dry it up, and then continue on with that portion, and then we're gonna go behind with the RP1. So for the RP1 we usually use a foam applicator like this, and what we like to do is the one side we usually use for the surfaces that we're gonna be protecting. However, the other side we use for the rubber seals on the doors, maybe the floor mat on the back that they don't present any risk. So we're gonna go over that whole thing. Even if the surface is quite dirty, the waterless will take care of that. And as you know, all of our products, we like to apply them into the microfiber, not directly into the surface, besides the wheel cleaner deluxe. So what I will do is I just put a small splash in there, and I simply will go over the surface. And now I have that clean, and I have all the dust, very light dust, out right there. See, so that's gone. Then what we will do is with the applicator we will put a small splash into the applicator, something like this right there. And then we're gonna do this half here, and immediately you can see the difference. It doesn't have any smell. It's a leather scent, non-greasy. And right here I'm just gonna put it right there. Yeah, that's gonna be a good example right here. Right there you can see clearly the difference with the protected and not protected. It will give you a natural shine. It's non-greasy. The stuff won't stick to it. It will be protected from the UV rays. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this area here. Then I'm gonna show you on the door seals and then on the plastic. But right here is a real good example of the application. You don't need to remove the product. You just simply apply with the foam pad, and then just let it dry. If you see a high spot, simply just go over and level it up, and you will be done. Right there, beautiful. So okay, we continue. All right, so everything covered with the RP1, even this beautiful red seeds. So the plastic, and then the rubber seals, as I mentioned it before, you can follow here, and here is they're all dried up. So we like to lubricate them. Then on the back side right here, we already apply the product on this area versus not apply. Alright, so we're back at the shop, and as you saw out there, the product, the Turbo Wax Interior RP1, is a very nice product. You see the finish, non-greasy, very nice scent, and it leaves the surface protected. So anyways, this will complete this video, and we want to thank you all for your emails and your messages, and don't forget you can find us on Instagram, or you can check us out on turbowax.com, somewhere out there, yeah, right here. Anyway, so we're gonna wrap this up and then move on to the next video. We're doing a series of product videos, and we have covered a few of them, and we will be adding, so we had the entire line and with the application and some tips and so on. So until next time, thank you for watching.